Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in July 2025. Harbor Freight has dropped a ton of new coupons for both ITC members and non-ITC members. So sit back, relax, I'll break it all down for you. As always, if you find my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we're going to start off with a rumor. If you're curious what the 4th of July sale is going to be this upcoming weekend, it looks like it's going to be 15% off any single item. So nothing too major there, unfortunately. But the good news is that probably can be used on pretty much any item that they sell. So if there's something that rarely goes on sale, that'll be the time to pick it up. All right, now for the current coupon. So the first one up here is going to be 25% off any single hose reel. So this is any of their air hoses under brands like Central Pneumatic, Merlin, Earthquake. They sell a ton of great hose reels and all of those are 25% off. They also have 20% off all of their Maddox products. Maddox is their premium version of a lot of their automotive tools, and there's a lot of nice stuff under that brand. I'm not really sure why their website is showing everything at $72, but that's obviously a mistake. But all this stuff is 20% off. So they have the heavy duty tire repair kit, which is a lot nicer than that Pittsburgh one, and just an absolute ton of automotive repair stuff. So if you like to work on your car or truck or any of your vehicles, definitely check out this sale and stock up on some stuff. And speaking of automotive repair, Pittsburgh also has some stuff under their brand, and here's the plastic fastener kit. This is such a handy toolkit to have. I guarantee you one of these are going to break on your cars at some point. And this has pretty much anyone that you'll ever run into, and this is just 12 bucks, 33% off. Next up, we have the Daytona 6-ton ratcheting jack stands. These are available in 6 colors and they're $60 at 25% off. They also from Daytona have the 1.5-ton professional racing series jack. It's low profile, has the rapid pump, and it's $125. If you need to tie down something heavy, this is a 3,300 pound capacity, 27-foot ratcheting tie down from Hallmaster, and it's on sale for $13. So they've had the 100-watt version of this foldable solar panel under the Predator brand, but now they've come out with the 200-watt version that should be available at any of your stores, and it's on sale for $200, which is a very solid price for these. Usually a good price for a solar panel, especially a portable fold-out one, is about $1 per watt. So 200 watts, $200, that's a pretty good price. Next up, we have a 3-pack. So you're getting standard, metric, and the star hex key sets at $5 for all 3 of them. These are always convenient to have. You also have your Quinn digital torque adapter. So if you don't want to buy a dedicated torque wrench, grab one of these and it'll basically make any wrench into a torque wrench. And you get the nice digital readout, and this is on sale for $28. And this is the 5.9 to 59 foot-pound, 3/8-inch drive version. Also from Quinn, we have their 1/2-inch drive standard and metric master socket set. It's an 83-piece set here for $130. And then here's a really nice deal. This is the Icon Professional Stubby ratcheting combination wrench set. You can get it in either standard or metric. It's a 10-piece set. And this is 22% off right now at $70. And then here's that standard version. This is a 7-piece set, so you don't get as many wrenches, and it's $60. I really like this super long metal power strip. This has 12 outlets, has a 4-foot extension cord. One of these is great if you're going to be making any charging stations for all the batteries that you might have, but this is just $15 right now. It's a great price for it, but I love how spaced out each outlet is. The popular magnetic hook set, this is a 4-pack for $3. That's a solid price. The 500 lumen Braun headlamp is on sale for just $10. If you don't already have one of these, pick one up. I guarantee you'll use it in some situation, and they're very nice if you're in a crawl space or an attic or anything like that. This just allows you to not have to carry anything in your hands and gets you adequate light. Another Braun light here. This is the 250 lumen portable LED work light. This has a magnetic kickstand and a swivel hook as well, and it's just $5. Here's a nice 150-piece assortment set of the nylon lock nuts. This is just $5.79. Some Hardy gloves on sale. These are the ultra durable mechanics gloves. Really nice leather palms here, and this is $10. I know it's not really raking season, that's yet to come this fall, but if you want to get ahead of it and get this while it's on sale, this is the leaf rake, and it's just $11. It is car wash season, and this is the Grant's microfiber towels. These are the ultra plush versions. They're really nice. A 12-pack here for $7. Also from Grant's, they have their universal foam pad. You can use this to polish your car or anything else at just $8. A great price on the Warrior Hex Shank socket driver set, 3-piece set for $3. Also from Warrior, they have their drill bit set. Nothing crazy here, but sometimes you might need some cheap bits, and this is a 13-piece set at $5. 37% off on this Bauer 10-inch 82 circular saw blade. This is for fine woodworking, and this is just $17 right now. That new Hercules surface conditioning tool is already on sale. It's $40 off, and it's just $99 or $100. You also have the corded version of the Bauer compact router at $50, 16% off, and a nice price on some router bits, a 5-piece set of the carbide tipped router bits for $15. It's been really hot here on the East Coast lately, so if you need to add any extra fans to your garage or shop, check out this one. This is the 3-speed pedestal high velocity shop fan at $30 off at $130. Here's a great price, all-time low price on the Avanti handheld paint and stain sprayer at just $40. That's as low as I've seen it. And this is great if you have a fence to stain or any other painting projects where a sprayer might make some sense and make things easier for yourself. Definitely pick this one up. Here's a nice shop stool from Pittsburgh. Has a backrest and is available in 4 different colors, red, black, blue, or green. And it's 20% off right now at $60. Here's a really nice portable Bauer 3-gallon, 3-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum. It is corded, but sometimes you just want that. You don't want to have to worry about batteries dying on you with these shop vacs. But this is 25% off at $30. Next up, we have the Yukon 9 drawer storage cabinet with the solid wood top at $300. It's $50 off. You can get it in 4 different colors, red, black, blue, or white. And then you have the US General magnetic toolbar. I know you can often get this thing for free on some of the free weekends, but it's been a while since this has been offered, and this is just $3. Next up, we have the 30 cal ammo cans at $10. Now, these next deals are for ITC members only. That's the Inside Track Club that you do have to pay a yearly membership fee to. It gets you early access and then some exclusive discounts. And here are some of those discounts offered now. First up, we have the Franklin Utility Push Cart. This is the smaller version that they offer, but it's just $75. You also have the 1 1/4 pump sprayer at just $9. These pump sprayers are not very good quality, trust me, but for that price, they are nice and cheap enough that you can have a separate pump sprayer for every product that you put down. A great price on these Hercules flap discs. These have the ceramic grain and they're 50% off right now. This one's just $6. Quinn has their master bit socket set, an 87-piece set. Nice case it's coming with for $80. The hardwood dollies are on sale. You can get it with carpet here for $25 or just a solid wood version for $23. These are great if you have any modular toolbox systems like Pack Out or anything else and you just want a mobile cart for them. I actually did that with the Tough Built system and I've loved it. I've been able to swivel this thing around my garage with ease and it's a lot cheaper than the actual Tough Built version. They also have your Pittsburgh Pro deep socket set and the nice colors so you can easily identify what size you're picking up, and this is $10. Also from Pittsburgh, they have their Impact socket set, a 13-piece set for $15. A nice price here on the Pittsburgh Flex Head ratcheting combination wrench sets, a 5-piece set here for $20, 33% off, available in standard or metric. If you need any garden hoses, you can get the 50-foot. This is sort of your standard garden hose at $16. Or check this one out. This is on the Niagara brand. This is an ultra flexible kink-free garden hose, a 50-foot version at $28. Bauer has their hook and loop sanding discs. Always a great time to stock up on these when they're on sale at $3.50 for a 5-pack. You also have the magnetic pickup tool from Pittsburgh at just $2.59. The Bauer variable speed drill press has that laser alignment, is $260. And then I really love this thing. This is great for drying off your car after a car wash. It's huge. This is the extra large microfiber drying towel, and it's just $5. That's a no-brainer at this price. Here's the Merlin digital tire inflator at $20. Nice digital readout display. Comes with all the tips that you're going to need. Here's a nice bungee cord assortment set, an 18-piece set here for $10. You also have the Grant's compact detailing seat. I love how the little buckets can detach, and this is $55. And then let's talk about some American flags coming up here on 4th of July. You have 3 options to choose from over at Harbor Freight, but let's make sure we're choosing that made in the USA version that they now sell from Betsy Flags at $17. If you have any off-roading, here's the tree trunk protector strap from Badlands on sale for $20. Some stainless steel cable ties, a 25-pack here for $4. If you're a fan of the magnetic trays that Harbor Freight sells like I am, check out this extra large one from US General. It's really nice for organizing your stuff in this tray, 4 different sections here at $12. Armstrong has these nice power strips. Here's the power strip with the 2 USB-A ports. Would love to see a USB-C port, but the USB-A ports on this are the rapid charging ports, and this is just $12. They also have the small 3 outlet version, still has those 2 USB-A ports. One of them is a rapid charger, and it's just $8. And then last up, we have the jumbo bike utility hooks. This is my preferred method way of hanging a bunch of bikes in my garage. You can hang them vertically, gets them out of the way, and it's super cheap. This is just $1.50 per hook. So that's it. Those are all the deals going on at Harbor Freight in July. As I said earlier, please give the video a like if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Dad Deals.